This is how you remove the KINEMASTER Watermark. Open the KINEMASTER app. Create a new project. Choose your desired video or photo. Tap on the clip and click pan and zoom. Click the equal sign. Resize the image as shown so the watermark is off of the video. Click the box with the arrow coming out of it. Click Export and skip. Now if you are on an iPhone or iPad, click on the Photos app and open the video that was just exported. Click Edit. Click the Crop button. Crop out the black parts so you only have the original video. Ta-da! Your video has no watermark. If you are on Android, go to the description of this video and click on the link that explains how to crop videos on Android. This is the video quality before and after the crop.